unit load method. So let us apply and see whether we are going to get same 66.2 by this method. Right. Then we can go for frame analysis. Let's solve it first. So in the unit load method, we have that HC is given by sigma of Pi, Ki, Li by Li. This is the formula which we have been seeing. Here, of course, Fi. Where Fi is the force in any member I due to given loading. That same explanation you have to give. So the given loading is only that 20 kilonewtons and 10 kilonewtons. These are the only loading. So that is this. A, B, C, D. Then you have to apply these are for Fi forces. For this, you have to evaluate and find Fi. And K is the force in all the members. I is equal to 1 to 5 in this case, because there are 5 members. For all the 5 members, you have to find out like that in the tabular form and find the sum. Here, you have to apply a unit horizontal load like that. This is for Ki forces. We can evaluate K forces. So, as you hear, this joint if I take here and the reaction if I determine, I'll get 10 kilonewtons here, because this load doesn't give, this is 10 into 3, 30 divided by 4. It is 7.5. Here it should be 12.5. That's easy to find out. By analysis, same thing. First you take the joint C, that is this here. Free body diagram, if you take force in these two are 0 straight away. Then if you come to the joint A, as in the same this thing, if I adopt sigma h is equal to 0,
10.
Here it is 10,
10.
Here it has to be
10.
10. Straight away you can write it. Then it was 10 plus q.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Simply because this q was coming, here it is easy to write. Then here sigma v equals 0.
12.5.
This is 12.5 up. Here it has to be
Down.
down. This is 12.5. So I have written because I have done that calculation. I am just showing that you will get the force in this fashion. And here you got how much? 12.5 the force in BC. 12.5
minus 12.5.
1.25 is not there, only 12.5, it is negative. So here, this is like that, 12.5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This one is force. Then here, this is 1, therefore you have to get 1 here. Then here, this is like this is like this. 1 into 3, this is or 3 into 4, so this is
3 by
3 by 4,
3 by
0.75. 3 by 4. Here,
1 minus
this has
3
to
by 4.
be down. 3 by 4. Right? Because now you see this 3 by 4 down, this 3 by 4 up. This gives a moment equal 3 by 4 into 4, that is 3, which is nothing but applied moment 1 into 3.
So that is
Yes.
3 by 4 is okay, sir.
3 by 4, 3 by 4. Because sigma v has to be 0.
0. Yes, sir.
So
Equals
this
minus
has to be
plus
down.
1 plus 1 minus.
Yes.
Yes.
Otherwise also you can see applied moment is 1 into 3. So this also due to this vertical reaction, it is 3 by 4 into 4, 3.
Yes.
So it will be balanced. Sigma m equals 0, sigma h is equal to 0, sigma v is equals 0.
Yes.
Perfectly equilibrium. This you have to be careful. Whenever either a moment or horizontal load, these reactions will not be always vertical. It will be one up, another down. That you have to be careful. So PI forces here, as usual, here this joint, I will take it first. So here it is 1, here it has to be this
One.
way, here also it has to be this. And here it is
0.
0. Then if you take this joint, here it is 3 by 4 down, here it is
Up.
up.
3 by 4.
This is 3 by
4.
4. Here it is 1, 1. Then only you have to find out
Incline.
in this, that is equal to, so this is equal to theta if you take it, f cos theta, right? If I
Minus
take
1.
is equal to 1.
1.
F cos theta plus 1 equals 0 if I take this side. Then
That's minus 1.
minus I will get, that means it is like this. F is equal to minus 1 by cos theta.
Because
1 by cos theta means it is minus 1 by cos theta is 4 by 5
5 by 4.
or 5 by 4.
Minus 5 by
That
4.
is minus 1.25. Like that. This is what. Now, values of F, I, K, I, L, I, and A, E, I for all members, or for all members to use the equation 1 or tabulated as below. I'll write it. So member I, any member I, and Li, AEI, then Fi, Ki, then Fi, Ki, Li divided by AEI. So let us compare side by side. So member AB, member EC, member CD, member DA, then D, you know?
Yes, sir.
DD. This final that you have to find the sum. So here Li
3.
AB is 3,
4.
BC 4,
3.
CD 3,
4.
DA 4,
5.
this is 5. No change. This AE is constant, you can retain. And F5, AB it is 12.5 minus 12.5. Then we got 12.5 plus due to that Q. Q anyway it is 0, you are getting this. Instead of Q equals 0, you have to get the same solution. 12.5, BC is 0, then you got BC Q. Q equals 0, automatically is 0. CD also 0, then anyway it is 0.
0.
Then DA and is 10. Then it is 10 plus Q. Q if you put 0, perfectly alright.
Yes.
This table you can always compare. Because here it is unit load applied, value automatically, if at all it is there, it will come. That is separately. So then BD, it is minus 12.5. There also
Minus 12.
minus 12.5. So these forces seems to be all right. Then Ki should be this. You can check. That's all. If Ki value approaches that, then Fi delta Fi by delta Q. Instead of that, I have Fi K.
Yes, sir.
Then A has to be constant.
Yes, sir.
When you cross check that you are sure you are getting same solution. So then Ki here for AB it is 0.75, 3 by
3 by
4
4.
plus. Are you getting 0.75 there?
Yes, sir.
You are getting. Then
B
this
1.
1 positive
1.
1 1. Then this is
0.
0 there 0. Then this is 1
1.
there
1.
1. Then lastly this
1.25.
it is minus 1.25. So that you have to check that sign. Here let us see, because this point D, this is 3 by 4,
Yes, sir.
okay? This is your F, B, A, correct then?
Yes, sir.
If I take like that, F, this is 1. FTA cos theta
Equals 1.
plus 1 equals,
So minus 1 equals 0.
this I am taking here, sigma h equals 0. This is D. I will take direction like this to start with. FTA cos theta
That is also.
plus 1. 1 is here.
Yes, sir.
Already got. This is equals 0 or FDA is minus 1 by cos theta. Since it is minus, sin I reverse. So it is minus 1 by cos theta, that is minus 1 by cos theta is 4 by 5, that is minus 5 by 4. So that is 1.25.
So there is minus 1.25, sir.
Here it is okay. I
Here.
cross checked.
Yes, sir.
Just now it cross checked.
Lastly, we changed
So
it.
here, this,
Minus. Yes, sir.
It
Minus
has to
of
be
1.25 into Q.
yes.
There.
That-
Dou F by dou Q.
Yes.
Dou F value is.
Naturally, this is minus
minus.
1. Automatically, you will get that. Now, result has to be same. You prepare the table. That's why written is table.
Yes,
In
sir.
order to see that the high values has to be same, because Castiglione's unit load, both similar type of procedure. Here, instead of delta F by delta Q, unit value, whatever forces you are getting, that you have to get it. And F5, no change. Only Q value, you can put that and you will get it, whatever that value. So if you tabulate it, so now it is sure, calculations are okay, except that particular thing, we got that one mistake there, particularly. So these values of Fi are tabulated as below. So already I have tabulated, you do that multiplication. Fi, Ki, Li divided by Ei. Here 3 into minus 12.5 into 0.75. You will get
Minus
28.1.
28.1.
Then you will get 1 into 0, anyway 0. 0 into 0, 0.
40.
10 into 1, 10, 10 into 4, 40. 40 divided by AE. Then minus 12.5 into minus 1.25 into 5. That is equal to
78.1.
minus 78
No, sir.
point,
Plus 78.1.
plus 78.1
1.
divided by
A.
AE.
Here it will become plus.
Then sum 78.1 plus 40 minus 28.1. That is,
90.
there, why you gave that figure?
Minus will become plus, sir.
Which one?
First one, that one.
This.
No, last one.
This.
Plus 78.
This.
It will become change.
Then automatically
90.
you correct it.
Yes, sir, 90.
In the table, this will be
90.
90. Here also,
90.
this is 90 divided by
A.
E. So therefore,
HC.
HC is 90 by
A.
AE. Both we have to get the same solution.
90 by.
Now, absolutely, you better practice it, and there should not be any mistake. So things are perfectly fine. Only trust problems are a little bit lengthy if you have more number of members. But it is easy to calculate it. You should not get yourself confused as it has happened here, so that you have to correct it. So to get the same result. Then lastly, the frames we take up in this.